All right, so we're going to compare fractions. We have these 3 pages. It's 256, 260, and 261. So let's get into it. And we're going to start by comparing these to 1/2. So for these fractions, you can choose what you want to fill in. Just be aware, you want to make sure that no two of these fractions are equivalent. So for example, if I make this one 1/4 here, I don't want to make this one equivalent like that. So I want to make that different so that all 5 of these are different. So maybe I can fill them in, however I want. You can do your own, just make sure they're all different. And then you're going to compare them to 1/2. So for mine, this first fraction I did was 1/4, and that is less than 1/2. And then let's see, this red one that I did, this would be 5/6, right? And that is greater than 1/2. Then in the end, when you've done all 5, put your 5 fractions in order from least to greatest. So if I were doing this, I haven't done the last two, 1/4 would be my least. Next up I would have my blue one, which I think is 4/12, and so on. So that's pretty simple. Let's move on to the next page and have a look. And then now it's giving you the fractions to fill in. And then compare them. So this is going to be 5/6, looks like it's greater than 2/3. And I think you'll look and see which ones are equivalent and how do you know they're equivalent. And then we're getting at a number line. This number line is pretty busy. There's a lot going on here. But you want to basically find these numbers and compare them. So 5, 6, and 11/12. So you can see I found them there, and it looks like 5/6 is less than 11/12. So just to help you orient yourself, it looks like we have 4ths, 8ths, and then the bottom is all like 6ths and 12ths and even some 3rds in there. So it's all a big mix. And then let's see, you're doing more equivalent, but I think this is pretty simple, and you should be able to get through these without too many problems today. So I might put up some more like bonus pages if you want to keep doing some more. That would be optional after you finish these 3, but I think you'll be able to get through this without too much of a problem. Just a review of fractions and comparing them, and that's it. Thank you.